Applying for a small loan when money is tight can feel nerve-wracking, especially when you start wondering who your lender might contact. One of the biggest fears people face is whether a company like Possible Finance is going to reach out to their boss, call their company's HR department, or demand pay stubs and tax documents. Nobody wants their employer snooping into their personal financial situation, and if you are self-employed, a gig worker, or between jobs, traditional employment verification can feel like an impossible hurdle to clear. The direct answer to your question is no. Possible Finance does not verify employment in the traditional sense. They will not call your boss, they will not contact your human resources department, and they will not send paperwork to your supervisor asking for proof of job status. Instead, Possible Finance takes a completely digital, privacy-focused approach by verifying your income directly through your bank account. When you apply through the Possible Finance app, the platform asks you to link your primary checking account using secure bank integration software. Rather than pulling a standard FICO credit score or reaching out to an employer, their system automatically scans your account activity to see your real-time cash flow. Specifically, they are looking for evidence of regular, recurring income deposits, whether those come from a traditional W-2 job, freelance work, gig apps, government benefits, or side hustles. This digital process eliminates the anxiety of having your manager know you are seeking extra financial support. It also removes the friction of scrambling to find paper pay stubs, W-2 forms, or tax returns. However, because Possible Finance relies heavily on bank data, your approval hinges almost entirely on how healthy and consistent your account looks. The primary problem applicants run into isn't employment status itself, but bank account history. If you link an account that you rarely use, an account with frequent overdrafts, or a brand new bank account with no deposit history, the algorithm cannot confirm your ability to repay, which leads to immediate denial. If you want to maximize your chances of getting approved with Possible Finance, there are several concrete, actionable steps you should take before submitting your application. First, always link the specific bank account where your main income gets deposited. Possible Finance recommends having at least 2 to 3 months of regular deposit history in that account. If you recently switched banks, it is usually wise to wait until your new account reflects several consistent deposits before applying. Second, monitor your account balance and avoid negative balances or frequent overdraft fees. The algorithm evaluates risk based on your overall cash management. Applying when your account balance is positive, ideally right after a fresh deposit arrives, shows the lender that you have enough cash flow to handle scheduled installment payments. Third, remember that because Possible Finance does not run a hard credit check on your traditional credit report, your banking activity acts as your financial resume. Maintaining steady spending habits and keeping active loans with other high-interest short-term lenders to a minimum will significantly strengthen your profile. Ultimately, Possible Finance allows you to access short-term funds without the embarrassment or delay of employer phone calls. By understanding how their automated income verification works and ensuring your bank account reflects stable income deposits, you can navigate the application process with confidence and keep your personal business private.